All right, we are about to do a tree stand raising. I think the goal, this is kind of a little trail where they kind of want to come out, but I think the goal is to put it right here. Or Justin put it back here. The problem is right here, I can't see nothing. I would have to cut this tree down, that tree down, and that tree down.
Yeah.
But it would be hidden very good. But
You gotta figure out, do you want to hide it better or do you want to have a clear exit?
here they can see, but whatever come around that corner is caught. But I'm in the sun and everything else. I'm trying to see what all I can see. What trees would have to be moved to see that lane. Put it right here on top of this, and that'd be a little bit more out of, a little bit more concealed. It's just gonna be more. This stuff is only gonna grow up more and more right here, where I can't. JB, it would be perfect.
And I say do it exactly how you imagine.
Originally.
No, I mean here, you said it'd be perfect there? Yeah. Then.
Just take more work and time. I don't got the chainsaw.
Oh, okay.
The pole saw could kind of do it. But we have to go back and go get it.
Oh, man.
It's in the truck.
Oh, that one right there? Should I go get it? Should I go get it?
I'm gonna try to take down a couple and see how it looks first.
Yeah. Sometimes you don't really plan a day. You just look at a piece of land and think, you know what? I could make this better. We came out here with one goal in mind, getting the hunting area ready for deer season. But before we could think about the deer stand, we had to think about the view. So we grabbed the hatchet and started clearing. One tree here, another one there, and before we knew it, this little project had turned into a full-on mission. The goal isn't just to build a deer stand, it's to create the right vantage point, a place where I can sit quietly, watch the woods, and hopefully have a better chance of seeing what comes through. Every tree we remove changed the sightline, and that's what makes preparing a hunting area so interesting. You're just not putting up a stand, you're thinking about the terrain, the openings, the cover, and where the deer might travel. This wasn't exactly the plan when we walked out here, but sometimes the best projects are the ones you don't plan. Now, let's see if all this work actually gives us the view we're looking for.
Good trail.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a good trail right there. I've heard them come through there sometimes. See how I'm exposed?
Mm-hmm.
That one, I can hunt from the bow. This is all gun right here. I won't try this until October, December, you know. I'm already ready for some drink.
Now you're talking about some hard work. I have not had the opportunity to chop, whack, or do anything like this since I moved to Germany. We just don't have the necessary to do it. There's no need. And so this was a workout. Now with a bigger axe, we probably could have done it a lot faster. With a chainsaw, even faster. But this was a workout. And you know what? This was also fun. Just getting right back to how it used to be.
It's ready to go.
Where's Bella?